Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. We are back. It is December 7th. We are getting closer and closer to those happy holidays times. And it's things are okay. We have had some retracement. Everyone's wondering what the heck is going on, Teddy. What are we supposed to do? Where is BTC headed? And there is a lot of analysts that are theorizing on just futures and options calls alone. So we're going to get into it, but we are going to go cautiously into it. So I do want to talk all things crypto, but before we do, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. I do ask you consider joining the Ganja Goons gang by hitting that subscribe. It does help us out, or just interact with the video in some way, shape, or form. Did you smoke that like button? Why not? Smoke that like button. What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, guys, let me go right into the market right now. Boom, 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 boom. We are here. All right, all right. Oh, we already have guys checking in on the chat. Selmo Fud, what up? What is up, Teddy? What is up indeed, Selmo Fud? Lot of things up, lot of things up. Yo, Teddy, I'm back for more of the good stuff. Let's go. Ben, nice to see you again. Cheating like a mofo. What the hell? You're already cheating? Can't stay too long though. Gotta drive back from kids football. Buddy, all we ask is you check in with us, and that is appreciated. I love to see it. I love to see it. Kids come first, family always comes first. But the Goon Gang is always here for moral support. Shall you need anything there? Yo, Teddy, where you been? What do you mean where I been? I've been here. We're back. I came back this week from the AWS conference. Everything's good. How you been, FJB? You miss me, buddy? You miss me? Hey, Gucci boy. Gucci boy. How you doing, Gucci boy? How you doing indeed? All right, all right, all right. I'm so glad everyone's checking in today. They know it's the last time you'll see me. It's that Thursday. I stream Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. So you'll see me again next Monday. There is another channel. Don't worry. I also put out content over there. Explore the Weird. Go check out that channel as well. But as I was saying, guys, healthy retracement. Sometimes you have good days. Sometimes you have healthy retracement days. So what is important is yesterday, 1.59 trillion is where we were at. Now we're seeing 1.6 trillion creep up, which means money is still coming in to crypto from the previous day, right? So now I go, hey, where did that money go? Clearly, most of that money that came in has helped support Ethereum a little bit. We did see that price rise from that 2,200 that it was at to just over 2,300, right? And while BTC remained about consistently above 43K for the most part. So people go, hey, is this the healthy retracement we're looking for? Are we going to continue to have that bullish trend? So we are going to talk about that during the chart segment. But what's real important, Teddy, you a dog? Teddy is a big dog. Bro, I am a dog, but like my dog bag went down like significantly. So oh boy, here we go again. So hopefully the dog stuff comes back. Hopefully maybe I should DCA or something. I'm not sure. I thought the dog community was with us, man. And then all of a sudden everything went sour. So I'm not sure, guys. Are you guys dogs? I'm still at a 10x. Oh, that's why. That's why. You're still up like anything. I just came in now. I just came in recently. The other fun ones was ordinals. It's been having a retracement. People are worried over there, and not too worried. Ordinals was just like BTC's side motor car, if you will. It doesn't truly need. Yeah, technically it does need BTC, I guess. It does need BTC Satoshis and those blocks, since that's what they're using to number and do their entire deal of figuring out their BRC20 approach. But grand scheme of things, there's no real correlation between Bitcoin and ordinals, and that's really uh, the thing that you have to understand. Just because Bitcoin's doing well doesn't necessarily mean ordinals is going to do well as well. There's some correlation, but that artificial pumps that come in is not a one-to-one. There is what I'm trying to say. Hey, William, nice to see you. Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. I'm glad you are here, buddy. How you feeling? How are things? And things in the market fairly okay in my eyes. We're gonna progress, and you're not gonna see me for a couple of days. So don't do anything crazy. If you have questions, reach out to the Goon Gang. We're on Telegram. You can reach out to me at TEDIGANJA. I will message you back. You can listen to my voice message, validate it's me, and we'll invite you in, and you can ask your questions you need. And this is all for free, guys. We don't have any paid wall or none of that BS. We're all like-minded individuals like yourself trying to make money in crypto. And some of us, like Coochie Boy, Salmo Fudd, they doing real good, And John Crispala, when he's here, man, these guys know the name of the game, and that's exactly what we're trying to do. So we did get a little bit of a dip in the dominance. We were holding steady at 53, going towards that 54%. I was feeling very good. But as I said, some of that money came in to Ethereum. So we saw ETH dominance did dip below 17%, and now it is marching towards that 18%. So we are seeing the EVM and layer twos go in fairly better than the Bitcoin counterpart. So Doge had a healthy retracement, BTC had a healthy retracement, but the grand scheme of things is the money continued to flow in to crypto regardless of the retracements, right? And what we're looking for, Coochie Boy's crushing it. Ben, as long as you listen to his candlestick logic there, it has a meaning of its own. So I completely trust that uh, indicator, that logic he uses. Yeah, amazing, amazing. All right, let me see here. Yeah, so almost everything. I did see USDT dominance going back up, which means some people did get more USDT. So we'll see what ends up happening over there. Coochie Boy is the man with the plan with those futures. Yes, he is. Yes, he is, Samo Fudd. And sometimes I wonder how he does it all, how he does this thing so consistently and so well, right? Um, so I do want to talk about trending, Lunky, Lunky, Lunky. Still to this day, it is up here. It has continue to retrace. It had like a 250% up on the month. We're expecting some retracement before the next pump. They still have their burned stuff in. All the stuff in the Dow has been passed. So at some point, maybe the price will continue to pump to a good usable ecosystem, but it's kind of like I don't know if you guys have seen what is it, like StarCraft 2 and StarCraft. Even when StarCraft 2 came out, people still played StarCraft more, or even RuneScape versus old school RuneScape. They still play old school RuneScape more than the actual RuneScape. That's what this feels like. Lunky is being more adopted than the actual counterpart of Luna V2, which is the next iteration. So, I'm like, at this point, healthy retracement across the board. So Bitcoin also, some people are upset at it. Hey, I'm not too mad. Okay, it hit 45K. It's had some retracement back, 2K here and there. Can happen. Sometimes you get consecutive days of going down 2K on Bitcoin before it has the next leg up. But we're going to talk about it during the chart segment. Really point out those key indicators and potential things to look out for, because there is interesting things going on according to some analysts. So we're going to keep an eye on that as well. Helium still continuing to pump. It did have some retracement back, but now we're back above $5, or still above $5. So I feel very good about helium. You guys know I got one of those helium miners myself. I'm trying to figure out um, how much more of this network I can tap into, but I think I only have like 30 or 50 something odd helium tokens, but still nothing. Depending on where this price goes, anything can happen. But I'm still happy with what's going on with helium. And let me see here. So, big contenders that are continuing to make moves. Solana, guys, Solana, $70. I do want to talk about Solana because now going into this bullish trend, there are levels Solana has to, beat resistance levels in order for us to take profits. Same, I have three miners. Jimmy J, let's go. Let's go. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Coochie Boys, big time still a good play. Is big time still a good play? Thanks, guys. We're all going to make it back. We're all going to make it back, buddy. We were at 5 Ethereum. The goal is to make back 5 Ethereum. The goal is to make, actually, the goal is to make back more than 5 Ethereum. We've invested in NFTs, we've invested into tokens. Now, it's like once we pull everything together, can we get to the 5 ETH? If we do, then we keep degenning out. How about that bunk? So I just finally got a Phantom wallet. So I figured out how to get the Phantom wallet. Now I just need to do some crazy things. But yeah, as you know, Bonk is the biggest gainer today, and Bonk is Solana based, and it's doing, oh my god, come on, coin market cap, it's doing fairly well, guys. Like, to be honest with you, on Solana it has 487,000 holders that are holding it, and when you truly dive into it, 51 million. The percentages too are ridiculous, but like, assuming the first 10 wallets are internal wallets or exchange wallets, you're really talking, most of these guys are holding on to just millions of dollars of Solana. So the story of, hey, I turned 10 cents, sorry, I said Solana, of Bonk, I've turned $100 of Bonk to millions, maybe still doable, because assuming these guys, were family friends or just guys, let me see here. Yeah, because I don't think this was complete airdrop, right? At some point, these guys actually create associated account. Yeah, so I feel like they must have somehow gotten it. Let me see. My Gito airdrop got me paid today. What is Gito? Those holders aren't real. Those holders bots like Flugs. Yeah, holders own a lot of Bonk. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. That's exactly, I did that analysis. And I'm like, dude, so Nam owns a lot. Look it up. Nam owns a lot. What does this mean? What does this mean? Are you telling me there's something else? I think the entire supply was airdropped to Solana holders. Oh, is that what it was? But no, that doesn't make sense. How is that possible? So these guys really spent, get out of here. Get out of here. There's no way these guys spent. Wait, let me go back to these holders. There's no way Bybit, actually Bybit could spend 10 million. That's like nothing to them, right? Maybe they did. Maybe you are crazy. Wait, let me quickly look it up. I thought Bonk didn't completely have an airdrop. Let me see. Bonk airdrop. Did, oh my god, these are such shitty sites. Oh my god, I'm not clicking on any of these. Did Bonk have, was airdrop? 50% of the total supply airdrop to the Solana community. So get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here. That's exactly what I was thinking. I'm like, wait, no. So 50% gone. They still hold a majority of the supply. They have to do, like, some of these values here are so similar that you're like, wait a second, they definitely cut something in the supply. So don't just believe everything you read. These guys held on to a majority of the supply. Nah, Bank was airdrop, but most owned by founders. Yeah, see, exactly, 50% is owned by the founders. Guys, we do the research here. Boom, boom, boom. The facts and the fact checking happen. So 50% of the supply was airdropped. So that's good to know. That's definitely eye-opening. But it is definitely the winner for today. Had the best track record, following in by second by Optimism. So yeah, quite happy. For me, it's Solana. You know, we've been watching Solana since what, $13? So $70. Look at us now. Staking my entire airdrop on margin of Phi to get that airdrop. Solana killing it right now. So I finally got my Phantom wallet. NW, tell me what I need to do. I loaded up with point 0.4 Solana. I'm ready to do anything, bro. I don't know if point 0.4 Solana enough now. Uh, Better get ready for that Jupe airdrop, dude. Guys, I'm not ready. I just got into the thing. Tell me what I need to do, and then I can tell the goons going to be big. Teddy, Racket, Lazy, and some of the others of us are doing spaces. You should swing through. We'd love to hear your expertise. Expertise on what? You hear me here. Get the hell out of here. What are you saying? What are you saying? No, I would definitely come through. Tell me what times I will be there if I'm invited. My baby Grok did well, not financial advice. Dude, baby Grok killed it for a little bit. Is it still doing well? Damn. Wait, I forget what. Not gonna make it. Steak on marinade and blaze for potential airdrop for Solana. Not financial advice. Always do your research, dude. I need to go and figure out from NW what the heck marinade and blaze is, because I'm totally lost there. I just got into the Solana ecosystem recently. So Solana uses Phantom Wallet. It's not the same thing. It's not Ethereum layer 2 compatible, none of that BS. So you have your own Solana wallet address. So it's on Phantom. And literally using that, I transferred some Solana into it from Coinbase, and I think it was like point 0.4 Solana, guys, like very little money, like $30, right? So I'm hoping I look legitimate enough that if I do some weird trades and stuff, they'll actually do trades on Lend Jupiter, Lend on MarginFi and Camino. Right now, Radium paying me 7,000% APY for staking 10,000 Cheeto. Dude, what the hell? These sound like freaking Harry Potter spells right now. What are you? Jupiter, Lend on MarginFi and Camino. It's like, what the hell? Oh my god. All right. So I'll have to do some research there. Let me figure it out and I will get back to the goons on what it is. They're both good. Check them out on Phantom Crosschain. Yeah, I just got the wallet. I'm gonna dig into it. We'll see what happens. It sounds like I'm on the right track, which I'm glad to hear. But what I want to talk about was Ethereum and Bitcoin shorts. Just closing out this market segments. We're at a 50-50 split when it comes to Bitcoin, but you flip over to Ethereum, we are getting closer there to also a 50-50. Still Bitcoin week, and we're still greedy, right? So still going into the next Friday, Saturday, Sunday, next 3 days, you guys are gonna be in for a whirlwind, but I'm ready for it. And I'm gonna tell you the key levels to look out for while I'm not with you, so you can make some educated decisions. And if you're in doubt at any point, you let me know. You need at least 10 plus Solana at this point. It's gotten flooded in Solana airdrop hunting. Oh, god damn it. I need 10 plus Solana at this point. All right. Well, we're gonna have to sell how much is 10 plus Solana? 700, dude, $700 worth of Solana I need to put into a freaking Phantom wallet to qualify for an airdrop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nah, 1 to 5 Solana is good to flip NFTs. So I did buy NFTs on this wallet just to back in the day, just to have NFTs in the wallet. I'm like, holy crap, I found my Solana wallet. All right, we're gonna move from the market segment. I've been talking about this, we've been derailing. Welcome to the crypto stream. I have ADHD. How do you feel? There's no camera there, but I still wish I could do 2 cameras on the live stream. One day we're gonna figure it out and it's gonna be great. You're gonna get 2 different views. Oh, wait, but then I'd have to flip manually. I'd have to get like a switchboard. Dude, there's so many updates I want to do, but it's like, I gotta line myself up with everything perfectly. Ah, All right, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. I have news. Let me see. We'll start off with this one. Binance says it's gonna, or it has pulled its licensing bid in Abu Dhabi. So as you guys know, the UAE, like Dubai is a city there, Abu Dhabi another city. And Binance was in this plan of going global, right? They wanted to have their roots everywhere and have their exchange be available everywhere. And unfortunately, it sounds like something happened and they pulled their licensing bid. So that seems to be the thing that everyone's talking about. And they claim it has nothing to do. The decision was unrelated to the $4.3 billion settlement to the SEC, right? And then CZ for like the 185 million or 150 million that he'd have to pay in fines. So seems very interesting. And the other weird thing is we talked about if CZ got out and wasn't a flight risk, he lives in the UAE. He has a kid there, he has a wife there. The fact that Binance is now going, hey, we're not going to do anything here. Is it related to anything that CZ did? Like these are the things that pop up in my mind. Yet again, Binance still its own entity. It's really CZ that potentially had some tie up with the government, and that's why. And now the new guy comes in, he's like, "Oh, we got to cut this shit out." Who knows? Who knows? But I thought this was interesting. They claim it has nothing to do with it, so still wanted to give you guys that narrative just in case you missed it. So Bitcoin whales driving the rally are now taking profits. So that's what the data suggests. And the way that this guy came out to that conclusion is he's been looking at the options in BitMEX and a few other markets. And one of the things he's came to realize is, hey, that 44,000 mark on BTC is very important. And there's a lot of closers in positions that is going to happen once it reaches certain levels. So in the grand scheme of things, this guy is basically saying, hey, 44,000, and we're going to see retracement because all these guys closed their positions and they took their profits, right? And now it's going to retrace and it's going to go back up to wherever. But he actually never says, hey, it's going to go back up. He just says the whales are going to come back in reality. So thought this was interesting. We've always known the money circulates. So if these whales are taking profits, they're taking profits and they're going to put the money right back in where they made money in the first place, right? So it makes sense in the Fed. Goon, smoke that like button. There he is. What's going on, SK? Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure, sir. How are things? What are you up to? Tell me everything. They're releasing their own exchange, M2. Rumor has it CZ will run M2 in UAE. And that is one of the theories that I have heard. I haven't gotten full confirmation, which is why I'm not completely going there. But I am saying that Binance as a whole goes, hey, there's no point for us to be there, right? So is the money going to follow CZ or is the money going to stay where Binance is? It's like, that's the real question. 4.3 billion is nothing for Binance. They will pay it and move on. Exactly. Exactly. Yo, Coochie boy, what's up? What's new with your futures trade? Still racking, bro. Still racking. Been saying BTC run is a bull trap. Been saying BTC run is a bull trap. Very well could be. It is the circle of life in this market. So this guy did say at some point they're going to take profits, and that did happen at 44K. Now we're going to see if there is another rally back up, and it actually moved me over. Let's move over to the Bitcoin options data that's now doing predictions on what they're expecting on January 26th. So January 26th, there is a call that BTC, there's an options call for $54,000 to expire on January 26th. The goal is 54,000 achieved by January 26th, and people are investing into that potentially. for that January 26th call. They're talking $2.05 billion on this call. So, yay, if those guys get liquidated because it doesn't reach it, they're screwed. But still, 54K is a lot of money to put on the call. So, this is one of those crazy analysis. And remember that 44K, the current 44K, it's always significant to reach different levels of resistance and break through them. But 54K, we're talking major moves up if that does come in. If that does come in. Let me see here. Have you been dual broadcasting on YouTube and Twitter, and how you doing it? What happened to the Shinja coin? I got let go. I got let go from Shibnobi in February, January, and they basically then turned it over to a community project, Andre. So they're still around. You have to reach out. Their community was just in our chat a few days ago, A4M. So if you reach out to their Telegram, they're still continuing on and doing stuff. But they let me go back in January, February, February. Yep. But I still continue, bro. I'm still here. You let me know what you need. Got to still pay the bills and keep that family afloat. Got a kid now. That's also something. Trying to think what else has happened. Man, it's almost been a whole year, guys. What are you guys expecting for these holidays? Oh boy. So yes, as I was saying, that's basically what people are waiting for Bitcoin. They're looking at these options calls, and January 26th seems to be an interesting date that people are going to march towards. And the real question is Bitcoin going to get to those levels? So I'm still super, super bullish on BTC as long as Triple G Indicator is bullish on BTC. So I saw this. We are now alien form. There it is. There it is. I knew the gang is somehow always in here. So we are expecting Santa Rally to send crypto. And this is very well true. I actually saw this article. I'll save it till the end because I think there was one more. No, I think this is the end. Okay, awesome. Sorry, ADHD. So saw this article on what other cryptos. I know everyone's talking about Bitcoin. Most people in their minds cannot afford getting into Bitcoin for spot trading and getting one BTC, right? You ain't chilling at 45K. We're all not like Coochie Boys and Selmo Fuds of the worlds, right? We don't have millions of dollars in our bank that we can just buy 10, 20 Bitcoin and it's no problem. Unfortunately, we're not like that. Do you teach people how to trade crypto? I do. I do. I do. As in, I have a community that is doing it for us called the Ganja Goons Gang Community, and we have a Telegram. So if you message me on Telegram, I can hook you up to the Ganja Goons Gang Community. But the thing is, I recently found out from the A4M community, they also have like 90 years of experience trading, and they're also doing stuff. So it may be worthwhile for you to do your due diligence and check out both prospects. But Coochie Boy, John Crispala, SK, they're all great guys at doing education when it comes to crypto. They've been really there since the beginning. So, and the other thing is we still have the stream every day, Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. You can ask me anything, any educated guesses. Most of us are long-term holders. We check in just to come hang out, smoke the like button. You know how it is. I'm assuming. But anyway, I get tangents, tangents, tangents. All systems go. There he is, Ape. What's going on? Nice to see you, buddy. So people are going to ask you during the holidays, you're going to that holiday meal, hey, what is the next crypto I should buy? If you start shilling to them Bitcoin and they can't afford Bitcoin, they're going to look at you like crazy. So somehow you now have to shill to them some other top cryptos that are going to bring them profits as you go. So I looked at this list and I actually agree with most of the things on this list. Almost all, if not all. What's going on? What's going on, buddy? Nice to see you. Um, So we're gonna start off with Solana. It starts off saying, "Hey, Solana was 42 and around 72, but during peak uh levels, they actually crafted resistance and support levels. So they said 24, 85, and 115 is achievable for Solana. So I still like those odds. So I'm like, hey, let's do it. Let's make this happen because, as you guys know, the demise of FTX is what caused Solana to go down significantly. And now we are getting their validation back and getting that blockchain back. The community is coming back. So we are seeing that um, continue to go up. So I thought Solana was a good thing to shill to people. They may get, oh, they got hacked, they got this, they got that. Don't worry about it. Just continue shilling crypto to your family. That is the goal. Make them adopt. Such a good channel. What the fuck are people doing not vibing here, listening to legit reads of charts and news? Bro, it's the people that know and they come back, and that's what's important, Ape. That's what's important, and I appreciate that. I really do, buddy. You're such a kind, gentle soul. So the other fun one, Ada Cardana. So 60 and 48 resistance levels, right? So we're around 30 right now, 40 right now. So yeah, it can happen. That's what, 20% up. I'll take it. I'll take it. Matic, another one. They put it at $1.15 and $1.50. So we know, I think it's right around 80 cents. 95, 59 to 95. So ooh boy. Ooh boy. So I liked all these. I think they're achievable numbers when you show, hey, if I'm gonna put $1,000 into something, obviously $1,000 in Bitcoin can only take you so far. And in reality, $1,000 in one of these other ones, if the fact sheet, thanks for the kind words. No, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. But $1,000 in one of these other ones could give you more return of investment than something like $1,000 in Bitcoin. So it may sound crazy, but hey, you're gonna sound crazier when you're at the Christmas table looking at your family, trying to explain to them how you're crypto rich. I promise you, Dad. I promise you. If you add this and this, and now I have money. You see. All right, guys, we are gonna move on to the chats. To the chats, Teddy. I need to know about the chats. Yes, we all need to know about the charts, and the charts are getting quite interesting. As you guys know, we have had these levels for quite some time, and we are seeing a segment potentially of consolidation around this 43K mark. So 43K mark is turning out to be a very important level in my eyes, and I can move this right from in this current time frame to the previous time frame, and we're still above 0.618. So I leave it where we are, and we are still above that 43 K mark. Let me just move this up. We got it in the last time. Well, oh, it looks like we're gonna be joined by my daughter. She now walks all by herself. What's going on, baby? Yeah, you here to play with the toys? Yeah, we're just learning about Bitcoin. How you're gonna be a crypto princess one day? Are you thinking Bitcoin or Ethereum? You see the chart for Bitcoin? It's around 43K right now. 43K Bitcoin. We're gonna make it all back. How many Bitcoins do we need? She ain't gonna tell us. Come on, what's the next coin? Tell us. What did they tell you when they sent you down here? Tell your dad to buy this. It's gonna be the next thing. It's gonna be the next Coca-Cola. Oh boy, we almost believed them. Oh yeah? And then what? Oh yeah? And she talks way more now. It's crazy. Hey, don't break my microphone. People gonna never be able to hear me ever again. Maybe that's a good thing. You see yourself? She's looking at herself in the thing. Yeah. All right. So as I was saying, Bitcoin doing, fairly well. I'm hoping this consolidation level is around this 43 K mark. If it dips below, where I get frustrated or sad is if it goes under 40K. Above 43K, I'm happy, but keep in mind, guys, we have seen Bitcoin swing 2K, 1 to 2K at a time very quickly, and it happens all the time. So, not anything to be surprised about. All right, so Ethereum is having the day of its life. It is marching towards that 2,500 mark. I do expect if this bullish trend stays, yeah, now I can put her down and she just goes, so it's perfect. Now, if this bullish trend stays, Ethereum technically should go to 888. So we keep an eye on it. We'll see what happens. Not too worried on the overall grand scheme of things. As long as the global crypto market cap keeps going up, we remain bullish. And the main thing is we're seeing a little bit of narrowing on the Indian oscillator on the BTC side. On the Ethereum side, you see it widen slightly, right? So not too worried. We've seen that dip come down and then go back up. So if we do have that consolidation dip on the Indian and it stays open, I still remain bullish on BTC. And the levels I'm looking out for yet again, right? When we move, which I guess I can technically move this now. We watched this enough, Teddy. If we go to the last low in the current time frame and then we chart to the current high, it really puts the 0.618 right at 4798. So if we close below 40,800 and we don't bounce up from 39,652, that's when I get worried. That's when I get worried. Right now, super bullish. Only the 30-minute and 15-minute doesn't appear to be. So, be open. Anything can happen. These next 3 days are going to get interesting. I'll connect back with you again the following Monday, but you know, don't do anything crazy. Don't do any hero things. That's the main thing. All right, so BNB, BNB, BNB. We talked about the Binance news, the removal from Abu Dhabi, and the coin itself is still doing fairly okay. The level of resistance on the fib retracement puts it at 233, and it's broken it and then retraced down a couple of times. For the most part, closing under that resistance level, right? So, I continue to be very neutral on Binance. Yes, they're continuing on, they're moving on, but I don't know if they're done. Is there going to be more regulatory actions? Is there more crazy things that are going to shake up Binance? Because now, or if CZ does come back into the crypto picture, as some people said, with another exchange, is Binance going to have more of a shakeup where people are going to navigate to what CZ's doing? Because he's going to be, hey, I fought the SEC, I've already done this, and he's going to have that under his belt. So there's a lot of things to consider when thinking about the Binance ecosystem. And some people, go, hey, I go where the volume is. But the real question is the volume going to stay in Binance? And that's the only sole reason I'm not chilling Binance to everybody right now. So we talked about XRP making moves up. It still continues to make moves up. Yesterday, we got so close. I really hoped it was going to close above 65. We had that healthy retracement back down, but we're still above the 0.5 fib retracement level. So I continue being super bullish about XRP. If it continues doing this trend, we are going to see XRP potentially all the way in a bullish movement at $1.38. At $1.38. So I like it. I like the levels it's made. And I continue hoping for the best. And main thing is, we had a short position come in on the triple G indicator. Andy and Oscillator had a crossover on XRP, and we know with the crossovers, with the Indian oscillators. If it stays narrow in this point and it just goes into sideways trading, the next time the Indian oscillator comes up with the long position, it goes parabolic, right? So we're looking for this to happen here as well. If this short closes, we get that long position in, hopefully another parabolic run. That is the hope. And, we keep an eye on it. Hey, Shaman, what's going on? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Oh, man. Things are moving. Things are moving. We are flying. All right, guys, let me see. I think that was pretty much what I wanted to cover for charts. Really, nothing else moved too hard. Let me move over to Goon Time. Goon Time is your time. Your time. Your time. Tell me if there's anything you want me to review, if there's anything you want my opinion on, anything I should be looking at. Please don't hesitate. I am here for you. Let's make these informed decisions together forever. On to you go. Come on, baby. Oh, 2,200. Oh man, that 0.618 level cutting it real steep. See if Baby Grok has legs. Be Ricky. Shaman. Shaman, what is this? I'm hearing about people holding Twitter spaces. What the hell? Yo, we've been holding Twitter spaces. Teddy, how do you do broadcasts to YouTube and Twitter? On StreamYard, you can add it as a source and then you can just dual broadcast to both. But the thing you can't do is like spaces and other things. You must be babysitting tonight. No, I'm not. My wife is actually in the background somewhere babysitting Kyra. She just woke up and she wanted to see daddy, so she came up here. We hugged. She talked about Bitcoin and Ethereum. You missed it, man. It was crazy. She was shelling out so many coins to us. It was wild. There she goes. And now she wants to go to the next room. Hi.
You wanna say hi?
Hi.
You wanna say hi?
Thank you. I appreciate it. This is Kyra's first birthday. Thanks for coming to Kyra's party. Thank you. Thank you. That's pretty good. That was a smash cake that she had there. It's wild.
Yeah, she ate a lot of it.
Okay. All right. Let me see Baby Grok, buddy. I'm pulling it up on here. Oh, I just want to make sure I got the right one. 27 days ago, 171%. You're hugging the top Bollinger Band. How is the RSI not coming in yet? What the hell? Give me the RSI on the 4-hour, please. Dude, what? RSI pegged at 100 on the 4-hour. That is wild. That is wild. All right, give me 30-minute RSI. What is going on? RSI? Oh, it's too new, I guess. Or it's just being that over traded. Oh, my. Playing with lights. That's crazy. Oh, we got a red candle coming in. Oh no, Teddy's. Don't look at it anymore. Don't look at it anymore. Pepe. All right. We're looking at Pepe. Anything Grok might pump, then go to zero. Well, right now it is pump. Baby Grok pump. So good call out there. Looks okay. You're hugging the top Bollinger Band. Brand new day. If it continues to hug at 1.25 million liquidity. Holy shit. Bro, you have half of Pepe's liquidity right now. All right, let me go look at Pepe. I usually do the Pepes, but I skipped over them today for God knows what reason. So Pepe, fib retracement. I'm slightly gonna move it to the new high up here. Even if we go up here, that puts Pepe above the 0.618. So if it drops below 50143, I get worried. Support at 5013, but in reality, you want to be above the 0.618 level, as we learned from DB from Aquila Traders. So be Ricky, if you can take profits when needed. Definitely, right now it is in a bullish state. If it closes above the 0.618, you continue being bullish about Pepe. And the real bullish indicator is the Andean oscillator is getting wider, right? Which is what I'm hoping. The same thing happens for XRP. We get a nice widened Andean oscillator. So Pepe, same boat as XRP in my eyes. The hope is real. I hope it stays above 0.618 level on this retracement and continues moving uptrend. Upward trend puts it in a full bullish market at almost 5038. So not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let me see. Did I miss anything else? Got Baby Grok. I got Pepe. Don't be shy, guys. Don't be shy. Ask any questions you need. Ask, tell us how it's going. What is it? Hey, we haven't heard from Cody Core in a long time. I gotta check in with that guy, make sure everything's going well at his work. He works at the bowling alley. You gotta worry about him. I recently finished making the famous 6% cider. I don't know if you guys know anything about me, but I brew my own beer and cider. We made a malt ale, and that was interesting. Stayed a little bit sweet, but the cider came out real good. It was a honey cider, sweetened. The real goal is eventually the yeast will also eat the honey and it won't stay sweet, but right now it's the perfect amount of sweet and smoothness. I'm just like, wow, this is great. So I think that is it. Yet again, you guys have a good weekend. Kyra says, have a good weekend too. Yeah. You wish the goons a good weekend? She's looking at the goon thing. She's like, what's going on? Who are the goons? Yeah, the goons. They're going to have a good weekend. So, guys, stay safe, stay strong. Teddy Ganja Brewery. Yeah, Teddy Ganja Brewery, man. I'm about to tap into that cider, see how it came out. Actually, I already know how it came out. Maybe have a proper glass. We'll see. We'll see. All right, guys, stay safe, stay strong. Don't be a hero. Feel free to reach out when needed. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Don't get wrapped, yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed, get informed.